Experience the quiet confidence that comes from seeing your hair regain its deep, youthful darkness with this natural black shampoo dye soap. Each wash feels like a small renewal, gently restoring richness without harsh effort. Viewers searching for an effortless boost in appearance will feel an instant connection as the lather brings back depth, shine, and a sense of personal revival. Let this simple ritual become the moment you reclaim the look that makes you feel truly yourself again. Number 1. Magic White Hair to Black Shampoo Dye Soap Natural Color. This Magic White Hair to Black Shampoo Dye Soap helps bring back the deep dark shade that makes hair feel vibrant again. Its gentle cleansing touch supports a refreshed look, allowing each strand to appear fuller and more defined. People longing to move away from a dull grey tone toward a richer natural color often feel an emotional lift after the first use, as the mirror begins to reflect a more youthful version of themselves. The soft creamy wash offers a calm moment of care, turning an ordinary routine into something meaningful. Many individuals appreciate how easily it blends into daily grooming, creating a smooth even appearance on both hair and beard. Anyone hoping to regain confidence through a renewed look can find comfort in the subtle transformation that follows, giving them a sense of pride and a boost in self-belief with every Washington. Number 2. Herbal Natural Plant Hair Dye Shampoo. This Herbal Natural Plant Hair Dye Shampoo invites a gentle shift toward a fresher appearance, giving hair a deeper tone that feels personal and expressive. Many people who wish to move away from tired gray strands often feel a warm sense of renewal as the color settles smoothly. Whether they prefer a bold coffee shade, a calm red tone, or a striking purple look, each wash becomes a small moment of self-care, helping the mind reconnect with a sense of youth and energy. The soft blend works comfortably at home or in a salon setting, allowing anyone to enjoy a touch of transformation without stress. As the color grows richer, confidence begins to rise, creating a quiet feeling of pride each time the hair catches the light. This simple experience often becomes a comforting ritual, inspiring individuals to appreciate their reflection with new excitement. Number 3. 500 ml Organic Natural Fast Hair Dye. Only 5 minutes. This 500 ml Organic Natural Fast Hair Dye Shampoo transforms ordinary hair care into a moment of personal renewal. Each wash brings a sense of calm as gray and white strands gradually regain a rich, dark tone that reflects vitality and youth. The non-eye plant essence creates a gentle touch that nurtures the hair while inspiring a quiet confidence from within. Individuals who have felt self-conscious about dull or aging hair often experience an emotional lift as the color settles naturally, restoring a sense of pride with every glance in the mirror. This simple ritual turns daily grooming into a meaningful act of care, allowing anyone to reconnect with their appearance and feel vibrant again. As the hair grows deeper and smoother, it becomes a visible reminder of renewed energy and personal strength. Number 4. Herbal Black Hair Dye Shampoo for Women Men. This Herbal Black Hair Dye Shampoo for women and men brings a subtle yet powerful transformation that helps hair regain a rich, natural darkness. Each wash feels like a quiet moment of self-care, as gray strands gradually blend into a softer, more youthful tone. Individuals longing to feel renewed often experience a gentle lift in confidence, noticing how their reflection begins to mirror vitality and presence. The natural ingredients create a soothing experience that nourishes the hair while allowing it to look smoother and more vibrant. Daily routines become a small ritual of restoration, turning simple grooming into a comforting act of pride. As the semi-permanent color develops, it inspires a renewed sense of self, giving people the freedom to embrace their appearance fully. The hair becomes a reflection of energy, youth, and quiet strength with every use. Number 5. Meidu 3-in-1 Instant Coloring Shampoo Natural Black Color. This Meidu 3-in-1 Instant Coloring Shampoo creates a moment of transformation that makes hair feel alive and full of depth. Every wash brings a gentle change as natural black, brown, or purple tones gradually appear, giving hair a fresh, vibrant look that feels personal and empowering. Individuals who have felt self-conscious about dull or uneven shades often experience an emotional lift as their reflection begins to mirror youth and energy. The Herbal blend nurtures each strand, leaving hair smoother and more manageable while enhancing its natural shine. Daily grooming turns into a small ritual of self-care, allowing anyone to reconnect with their confidence and sense of identity. As the color develops naturally, it inspires pride and excitement, turning ordinary routines into moments of joy, reflection, and renewed personal presence that can be felt with every glance in the mirror.